Hi guys, hope you all are doing good. So in this today's lecture we are going to solve the LeetCode problem number 125, that is valid palindrome. So I am going to divide this LeetCode problem into two videos. So the first video is about lecture part. So in this lecture part we'll learn the algorithm, the logic, the way of approach of this question and everything. So this is all about the lecture part. So in the second video, we'll return the C code. That means we'll go to LeetCode web page and we are going to return the C code, and I am going to explain it line by line in a very simple words. So this is all about C code. So in this video, we are going to see the lecture part. So don't worry if you are a beginner. We will learn everything slowly and very clearly. So first, let us understand the problem. So without any delay, let's begin. So first, we are given a string. Suppose the string, we need to check whether it's a palindrome or not. So before checking whether a string is palindrome or not, so first we're gonna see what is a palindrome. So what is a palindrome? So palindrome is nothing but it is a word that reads the same from left to right and right to left. So this is all about palindrome. So let us understand with an example. Suppose let us take an example of madam. So example, the string is madam. So this is our example. So read it from left to right. So that means left to right. So we get, when you see read it, we get madam. So when we read from right to left, we also get same madam. So both are same. So it is a palindrome. So now this problem has one special rule. We must ignore spaces, commas, and special symbols, and uppercase or lowercase differences. So let us take the famous example, a man. Suppose let us take some examples. So a man and a plane, a plane and a canal. So a canal and Panama, Panama. So remove spaces and symbols. So a man, we are going to remove the space. A plant, we are going to remove the space. A canal, we are going to remove the space. So convert everything into lower cases. So we get, let me suppose when we remove all, I mean, we are converting this, removing spaces, and we are converting into lower cases. So we will get a man. So we are done with this. A plant, and we are done with this. Now a canal, a canal, and we are converting this lower cases. We get, Panama. So now compare from both ends. So the first and last characters are same. So first and last characters are same. So and this and this m also same, and this third and this this last third character also same. And when we compare everything like this, we are getting same. So here we got p, and here also we had p. So here also we got l, we also have l. So here a, and here also a. So here we have n, and here also we have n. So we have a, and we have a also. So finally we have left with c. So this is also a palindrome. So we have keep on checking. So all characters are matched. Therefore this is a palindrome. So the question is, how do we solve this efficiently? So here we use two pointer. We use two pointers. One pointer. So first one pointer will starts from, the first pointer will start from beginning. So it's gonna start from beginning, and the second pointer will start from all. So it starts from end. So if a character is not a letter or a digit, it's going to skip it. So then we are going to compare both characters. If they are different, it returns false. So like that, if they are same, we are going to move both pointers. So continue, we need to continue until the pointers meet each other. So if our comparisons are successful, we are going to return true. So this is the easiest and most efficient method. So this is all about the I mean the lecture part about the LeetCode problem number 125 valid palindrome. So we are going to return C code in our next video. I hope this lecture is clear to everyone. If you have any doubts, you can ask in the comment section. So thanks for watching and see you guys in the LeetCode web page.